So this is the battery charger that comes with the 18-volt fogger, and I'm going to take the battery out because we just got this out of the box. We're going to stick it in the charger and see what the lights look like. It looks like you don't put it in this way, you put it in this way, which then makes it a little bit difficult to see the LEDs because the battery, you're going to be looking at this angle and the battery is actually in the way of seeing the LEDs. So you're going to plug this in and you can see it's got a flashing red light. Now it's gone to a flashing green light. Kind of hard to see because of the angle here. But the flashing green light indicates right here that it's charging. And when it's a solid green, it'll be fully charged. This is the Cutter Backyard Bug Control. It's a fogging insecticide, and it's designed to be used in these sprayers. According to the instructions, you take this at full strength, you do not dilute it, and you pour all of it into this tank right here, and then you're good to go. It says right here, do not overfill tank or tilt in a downward direction, and the reason for that is if you look inside the tank, you can see that there's two tubes in here, and they both come to the back of the tank right here rather than to the front. So if you tilt this in this direction, the fluid's going to go to this side of the tank and you won't have any suction on the fluid. So you have to operate this level or actually with a negative angle so that the fluid will fall back to where the pipes there can suck out the product. It won't spray, so I'm going to tilt this down.